Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, I guess is the best way to say it. Today, I'm talking to you guys a little bit about just the opportunities that can come from everything that's going on right now, right? Obviously, everything that's going on is incredibly stressful, right? Obviously, it's not just about your business, but it's also about your personal life. And, just there's so much involved with all of this, and everyone is stressing in different ways and overwhelmed in different ways, that it's kind of hard to sometimes see the opportunities that can come from situations like this, obviously referring to the pandemic and coronavirus. So, as Amazon sellers and as people that have brands on Amazon, it is really important that you are seeing the different opportunities that are available to you that really can help you propel your business and make you stronger once this is all over, right? So, one thing we want you to consider is expanding your catalog. And I know that sounds a little crazy, right? Because there's just so much going on. Can't imagine expanding my catalog, but it is worth considering because at this time, it's not just brands struggling, it's not just all of us in our personal life struggling, but manufacturers, suppliers, right? They are also in need of business. So they are probably going to be willing to discuss, different pricing options for you, or maybe they are willing to help you expand your catalog and get you those new opportunities that maybe you hadn't considered yet. So this is a really great time to go ahead and look into expanding that catalog. Now, what should you consider doing to expand your catalog? Well, you should look to see in your category specifically what products right now are on the rise, right? Maybe they're not products you're currently supplying. And that is important to look at because we don't know when this is going to be over. We don't know when normal life will commence, right? So one really great example is the workout categories, right? So obviously at home workouts are on the rise now, but it is fair to say that people are going to be getting used to doing at home workouts, and a good amount probably will just continue to only work out at home. So that's one really great example of expanding your catalog. If you're in the workout category, getting in front of that and creating at home workout products would be a great start. So that's one really great example, but every one of you should be looking at your current category and seeing, okay, like how can I adjust to these times? How can I make sure my product is a hot commodity in times like these? Because that is a really great place to start. Just checking out to see what is a hot product in your current category, right? Another thing that you should be checking out or thinking about at least is channel expansion, right? So all of you already know this, right? Stuff really got real with Amazon as soon as they put restrictions on the FBA warehouses, sending products in. Of course, you guys have seen the ship times, and the ship times are out of control, where some products, it'll take 2 days, other products will take a month, right? So obviously you guys know there is some downside to relying on Amazon sometimes, right? And obviously we're big supporters of Amazon. You guys all know that. But we do not want any of you guys solely relying on Amazon now, in the future, none of that. We don't want any of you guys in that situation. So it is important that you are looking at different channel options like Walmart.com. If you're in the pet industry, Chewy.com is a really great one. And of course, making sure you do have your website set up, that you are putting some attention towards your website, even if it's not your main driver of sales. You should still have some attention on that website, making sure you are building it out. But looking at additional sales channels is a good idea during a situation like this. You can see what your options are, and of course, start to get involved with those, as I'm sure those will be on the rise, just like Amazon will once this is all over. In addition to that, we would recommend, and of course, this is if you have this availability, but to go ahead and give back right now. You're seeing a lot of companies doing that, where they'll say, X% goes towards this charity with your purchase, or this goes towards this charity, or we're donating to this charity. It's really important to people right now. There's so many charities out there that you can give to that will fit your category, that it will make sense that you are giving back to those people. And I mean, at times like these, we need people to give back, right? So marketing with a cause, that would be a great thing to do during this time. Find charities you're interested in. Find charities that are doing the work that you support through your company. This is a great time to get involved with that. Really try to give back, if of course you are able to, during this time. Now, obviously, you know, those are just some ideas we have in terms of just opportunities during these times. But, you know, you're all in such different situations. You should go ahead and take some time to think about the positives. Think about the opportunities that can come from this. Think about how you're going to end up on the other side. That is what you should be looking at. And if you are struggling to come up with those opportunities, if right now it all kind of just seems like a lot, go ahead and reach out to our team. Go to turnkeyproductmanagement.com/talk. We'll definitely be willing to sit down with you guys, chat about just different opportunities we think you can take advantage of during this time. So obviously, guys, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope you're doing, staying safe, staying healthy, and all of that. Our team is here for you, so please reach out to us if you need anything. Other than that, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week.